Hello, little tech explorers. Today, we're going to learn about the amazing parts of a computer. Let's plug into the world of computers. Ready? Let's click and go. This is a computer mouse. It has buttons for clicking, a scroll wheel for moving up and down, and a sensor at the bottom that helps it move on the screen. This is a monitor. It's like a TV for the computer. It shows us pictures, videos, and games. We can see what we're doing on it. Without the monitor, we wouldn't see anything at all. This is a keyboard. It has lots of buttons called keys. We use it to type letters, numbers, and words. Want to write your name? Use the keyboard, tap, tap, tap. It's fun to type. This is the CPU. It's the brain of the computer. It thinks really fast and tells all the parts what to do. Without the CPU, the computer can't work. It's small but super smart. These are speakers. They help us hear sounds from the computer, like music, voices, and funny noises. When you watch a video or play a game, the speakers make the sound come alive. They're like little loudspeakers for your computer. This is a microphone. It helps the computer hear your voice. You can talk, sing, or say something, and the computer will listen. It's like a tiny ear for your computer. This is a webcam. It's like a little camera on your computer. It lets you see and talk to your friends and family on video calls. You can smile, wave, and say hello all through the webcam. This is a printer. It helps us put pictures and words on paper. You can print your drawings, homework, or stories. Just press print, and out comes your paper. This is a scanner. It helps the computer copy pictures and papers. You put a picture or paper inside, and the scanner makes it into a computer file. It's like a magic copy machine. These are headphones. You wear them on your ears to listen to music or sounds quietly. They help you hear without bothering others. Perfect for games, videos, and songs. This is a USB. It's a small plug that helps us connect things to the computer, like a magic key to share pictures, music, and files. You can also charge your devices with it. USB is super helpful. Wow! Now you know the parts of a computer, from the monitor and keyboard to the mouse and USB. Computers help us learn, play, and create every day. Thanks for exploring with me. Keep being curious and have fun with technology. See you next time, little tech explorers.